so we've done your plaque index. This is the results that we came up with. So you have 28 teeth, and so on each tooth there's 5 surfaces.
Okay.
So 28 times 5 gave me 140 surfaces total that you could potentially have plaque on. It turns out that 66 of those surfaces had plaque. So what we do is we divide that by 140, which is the total, and I got 0.47%. And then I multiply that by 100, and then I get 47%. I'm sorry. So overall, your total plaque index was 47%. Now they like to have it, the optimal thing to do is to have it at 0%, but sometimes that's not totally achievable. So as long as it's 20% or less, that's what they really want to go for. Do you have any questions about how I got to these numbers?
No.
Okay. Now, do you brush your teeth daily?
In the morning and at night.
Okay, so you do brush twice a day. Do you floss every day?
Not as much as I should.
Okay. Do you mind showing me how you brush your teeth?
Okay. I just go back and forth pretty much,
Okay.
and just throughout all the teeth.
Okay.
And then that was pretty much it.
Okay, that is a good technique. Now it looks like on your plaque index, what we've seen is that a lot of the plaque is found in your interproximals. That just means the spaces in between your teeth. And there were some on the occlusal, which is just the biting surface of your teeth too. So to help with the interproximal plaque, we like to use the modified Bass technique. So basically that's just taking your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle and going in right at the sulcus, which is just where the gingiva meets your teeth.
Okay.
And then you're going to vibrate back and forth for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you're going to swoop down, and that will help get the plaque in between your teeth. And you just move to the next set of teeth, and then you'll do it for 10 more seconds. Can you demonstrate that for me?
Yes. You said for 10 seconds?
Mm-hmm. And then it's just really important that you get that 45-degree angle, because that's what really helps get in between the teeth. Okay, that looks really good. And then another good thing to do is to do the modified scrub technique. Now that's just going on the biting surface and then just going back and forth. There's not really a time limit, but if you just do it like that, that'll help get the plaque off of your occlusal surfaces or the biting surface. Can you show me that one?
Yeah. And you just go down?
Mm-hmm. You'll just move your way around the mouth. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, and then do you mind showing me how you would floss your teeth?
And just go back and forth.
Okay.
And just continue like that.
Okay, it looks like you have a pretty good technique. Just another way to do it would be if you take and you have an anchor finger, and I am left-handed, so it's probably going to be backwards for you, but so if you just have an anchor finger, you're going to wrap it like 2 times, and then you're going to use your other middle finger. You'll leave like a 1/2-inch space, and you just want to go in between the teeth and make a C shape, and then go up and down with it. And then you'll take it and then wrap it once, and then go back into the same contact, and then do the other portion in the C shape as well.
Okay.
Can you show me that? Really good. And then it is just important to also use a piece of floss that's about 18 inches long. That's from about your fingertips up to about your shoulder. And then 1 piece of floss per arch of your mouth. So for the top, and then a different one for the bottom. that'll just help you use fresh floss for each arch. Do you have any other questions about how you should use these techniques at home?
No, not really.
Okay, do you have any other questions about the plaque index as well?
No.
Okay, well, thank you.